What is going on, guys? Customized Mods here. In today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a toe mount for your Mavic Pro. And so this is basically a 1.5 inch nail with 2 spacers on the ends. And I call it a quick release mechanism because if your Mavic's caught up in a tree or something and the line or anything where you need to detach the line quickly to prevent further loss of your drone or anything like that, all you really have to do is just pull it out and it just simply just slides out. So and it fits really well as well, which is a nice feature. So basically what I'm using is a 1.5 inch nail, or it might be even be 1 inch. I'm not sure. I think it's 1.5 inch, and I have these 2 spacers. But if you can't find a nail like this, then you can go ahead and just use something like a thicker nail, or maybe even like a little dowel or something like that. But I just really wanted this project to be something so that if my Mavic ever gets stuck in a tree and there's a tow line attached to it, I'm not fiddling with the tow line up in the tree and trying to get the Mavic out. I can just release it and not worry about damaging my Mavic any further. So I know that sounds kind of silly, but overall this is a really smart way, and it's the little details that I like to do with my modifications that will really help my overall Mavic experience to be a memorable one. So yeah, so that's the little modification that I made. A toe mount for the Mavic that goes in between the rear landing gear.